युथ ऑफ GSB ऑडियन्साक नमस्कार. आम्ही मस्त कडे कार्यक्रम गेल कडेक आमकां इन्स्पिरेशन दिवचें आमगेल्या दोळे येद्रा पळोवप जाल्यार मस्त पर्सनॅलिटीज मेळटा ती. जाल्यार ही केलो पर्सनॅलिटीज कशें आसता म्हळ्यार तांणी मागशी राबून युथाक सपोर्ट करता आसता ती, कम्युनिटी रायट डायरेक्शना वत्तास की ना म्हणून पळयता आसता ती. बट तांणी येद्रा येवन केन्नाय आमकां दोळे येद्रा मेळची तसले पर्सनॅलिटी आसना ती. तसल्यान ती एक वंडरफूल पर्सनॅलिटी, अ बिग बिलिवर इन इंडिया स्टोरी, बालाजी भट मॅम. आणि गोवा आणि बँगलोरान तूं मेंटरींग करता ती तशीच ही इज एन इन्वेस्टर. आमगेले युथ आतां हें ऑन्टरप्रिनरशीप कॉन्क्लेव 2023 कसो जाता आसा. यंगस्टर्साक बिझनेस येवचेक एक मोटिवेशन दिवचे कसकर ह्या 2 दिवसा कार्यक्रम जाता आसा. हाजे बगे तुमगेले थॉट्स कशे ना म्हणून सांगता म्हणून निमून घेता.
I think it's a great beginning. Thanks to Ullas and Mondas Bhai to take this initiative, because we have a large community, but we don't see many people coming from our community in the entrepreneurship. We work in banks, we work in various organizations, but we are all in the back room. There's very few Konkani speaking people who are in the front. And we want more and more people, especially the youth, to come in the front.
Correct.
We do very well in IT, we do very well in banking, we do very well in finance. But when it comes to doing business, we are not there. We need to do more such conclaves. We need our youngsters to start doing business.
Yes.
We want them to create wealth. We read the papers and see others are wealthy.
Yes.
We have to put effort. Effort galnachi. Change problem.
Yes.
We have to put the effort, and sometimes probably the avenue is not there. But people like us are around. If somebody reaches to us, we can help them, we can guide them, we can create wealth, we can create entrepreneurs. And we are a large community at the end of the day. We have more than 8 lakh people in the country. And but if you look at the number of people's name who is there in the top of the business, there are only 4 or 5. There's one Mohandas Bhai, there's a Nikhil Kamath, and that's it. You don't see too many people there in the Bhai. Why not more? Why not more people come forward? And my message to these youngsters today is that take risk. While we can all work and get the salary on the first of the month, why can't we take risk? We can get salary in the middle of the month,
yes,
or get income at the middle of the month, but we can create wealth. We can create wealth with so many people. And there's a huge opportunity. There's an excellent opportunity today. India is going to become the third largest
yes,
economy. So we need to put in effort.
Yes.
And that's the key. The community, the youngsters in the community, instead of going for jobs, will have to start thinking of creating entrepreneurships, becoming entrepreneurs, creating startups, and work.
Correct.
That's and I encourage. We want more of you to come forward to do it, and we will help. There are so many of us willing to help, but people should approach us.
Yes. ते मस्त छंदस शिष्यान रेडी असलेली गुरु ताजितले मेळत गई. तशी त्यांनी आमकां सांगिल्लें असो ओपन हार्टेड तांणी तुमकां दोनूय हात ओपन करून तुमकां वेलकम करता आसा ती. तुमगेले आयडियास आसा, पाथ ब्रेकिंग डिसरप्शन कोर्स तसले तुमगेले की कॉन्सेप्ट्स आसा म्हण जाल्यार ताका बॅकिंग, फायनान्शियल बॅकिंग अशें पुरो, तुमकां इंटलेक्च्युअल बॅकिंग अशें पुरो ते इन्वेस्टर्स दितात ती, मेंटर दितात ती म्हण तांणी सांगलां. तांणी उलयतना तुमी तांगेले तोंडान तें पॅशन पळोवका. कसं म्हळ्यार इज अ बिग बिलिवर इन इंडिया स्टोरी. ही नोज दॅट country has progressed so much in the last number of years and there's only good times ahead.
Yes.
So आमगेले यंगस्टर्सान असले व्हड मनशाले तांगेले आयडियाज, तांगेले इंटलेक्च्युअल रायट्स कसो आसा, तांणी खंयच्या लेवलाचे थॉट प्रोसेसर आसा ती ते तुमी नॉलेज घेवका. आमगेले यंगस्टर्साक कसं नाही सांगता म्हण जाल्यार तुमी.
I think it's time for our youngsters to start coming into the forefront.
Yes.
They always work in the back office. I think they need to come not on the front office, they need to be outside the front office. Yes. And then build a team around them.
Correct.
And build a businesses, great businesses.
Correct.
This is the best opportunity for the next 10 to 20 years, and we should capitalize.
Yes.
And that's what I tell every Konkani entrepreneur to come forward. We are very happy being where we are, but I think we need to be outside that shell. We need to come outside it, take certain risks, and then build wealth.
मामान मस्त चंदायर सांगलें कसं म्हळ्यार आमी ऑन्टरप्रिनर जावन आशिल्ली. आमगेले एज अ कम्युनिटी वी आर नोन फॉर ऑन्टरप्रिनरशीप. आमी ताई एक शेल्ला गेल्ली आतां. आमी बिझनेसान तूं आमी टॉप पोजिशनार आसा ती, जाल्यार आमी ऑन्टरप्रिनर जावन ना ती. आमी मॅनेजिरियल लेवलार काम करता आसा ती. थंय देखून भायर येवन ते रिस्क घेवन आमगेले ऑन्टरप्रिनर जर्नी स्टार्ट करता. आमगेले कम्युनिटी हाजे निमगे मुखार वता, आमगेले देश मुखार वता म्हणून मेसेज.
There are so many opportunities that are available. It's not only we believe that startup means it's only IT. It is not IT.
Correct.
Startup means manufacturing. It can be a small business venture, like you can start a bakery, you can start a, I met so many people in Goa. They do, there are 85 brands of gins that are manufactured in Goa. 85 brands, okay. And I see people coming from outside Goa and doing it. Why can't our people do it? Okay. I see in Kerala, if I look at it, I have got so many people who are traders.
Yes.
Why can't we go from trading to manufacturing? Okay. We were once upon a time known as for the hotel business.
Yes.
Today we are not there. The others have come and taken the chains of Kamats and Udupi was much larger than what was. Today you have got chains coming from Rajasthan and coming from Gujarat who are bigger.
Correct.
Because we are not taking that interest.
Yes.
We don't want to go beyond that. We don't want to take the risk. We will help you to take the risk, but you should approach.
Yes.
And that's important. Manufacturing, I see so many people working, so many of our people working in the, we are very good engineers, but they all want to be very happy working in IT companies. Why can't you come out and start something?
Correct. आय
That's
थिंक
the-
तुमगेले ह्या एड्रेसान निमगे ती 100% इम्पॅक्ट जाता.
Yes.
कोण यंगस्टर ह्या व्हिडिओ पळयता आसा तो ते खंयचे डे जॉबार आसा
Yes.
तागेले वरके आयडियाज आसा
Correct.
ताका ते पुश जावंक आशिल्ले ते इन्स्पिरेशन जावंक आशिल्ले ते तुमगेले निमगे येता आसा. आमगेले देशान तूं ऑन्टरप्रिन्युअर जर्नी आनीकय व्हड लेवलार वचका. मागे लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुमकां नेक्स्ट डेकेडान तूं तुमगेले प्रकार which are the 3 industries that will do exceedingly well?
Okay. In the next decade, the biggest industry is going to be manufacturing.
Yes.
India is going to be the manufacturing hub in the for the world for engineering products and electronic products. This is not only for the domestic consumption; it's also going to be for exports.
Yes.
So if I look at that's one, the biggest industry. The second largest industry which is going to also drive this is going to be the auto industry.
Yes.
Auto industry and the ancillaries, that's going to be the second. The third industry which is going to drive is going to be the IT services, which will anyway come, but is going to be the consumerism. Because people are going to earn more, people want to spend more, and they need products, they need brands, they need aspirations to live. So anything to do with the consumer is going to do extremely well. So the engineering, auto and consumer is going to be the 3 next big ideas, and you guys can figure it out as to where you want to play.
Correct. सो तांणी तुमकां डायरेक्शन वरके दिला ह्यांचे व्हिडिओन तुमी खंय पळोवका खंयची रायट डायरेक्शन तुमी पळयल्यारी म्हळ्यार खंयचेय स्टार्टअप खंयचेय बिझनेस आसा पुरो ताका ते टेल विंड जावका. त्या टेल विंड ह्या 3 इंडस्ट्रीन तूं मस्त व्हड मटार आसा म्हणून बालाजी भट हांणी आमकां सांगिल्लें आसा. मस्त धन्यवाद तुमी आमकां टायम काडल्याक. आमगेल्या यंगस्टर्साक तुमगेल्या व्हिडिओ देखून मस्त हेल्प जाला म्हणून लागता. थँक्यू सो मच.